Gemco Furnaces is a specialist in the area of heat technology and heat treatment equipment. Gemco Furnaces is supplier of high-quality Lehrs for CRT television and CMT computer monitor tubes from conceptual design up to a running production unit. Gemco Lehrs are constructed on a modular basis. This is particularly done in order to achieve tailor-made applications, meeting client specifications on an economically viable way. Production and process data delivered by the client are translated into the Gemco Furnaces computer simulations to verify and to fine-tune the process calculations. This special system, developed by Gemco, enables simulations of aspects such as the airflow in the Lehr and temperature curves for each individual product. Results from the process simulation are the basics of the design and construction of the Lehr. Life test for mechanical parts and final optimization of airflow is executed on prototypes and gives us information about required material and construction. Making prototypes and testing them ensures that designs are optimally prepared for constructions and functionality. Fritz seal Lehrs can easily be made in any configuration due to the modular structure of the design. Electrical, gas firing, or a combination of both are options for the heating source. The drive system of the mesh belt is designed in such a way that the tube jig combination can be transported smoothly through the tunnel. The design is optimized for free access to all components. Settings for adjustment as well as inspection and maintenance is an easy job. Also, the design and construction of the control panel are fit to the client's specifications. Several remote control and management systems are optional. For the exhaust lines, a totally new transportation system consisting of 2 drive units with track rail has been designed. After thoroughly testing, the drive system developed on the basis of simple and normal standard components enables easy access for inspection and maintenance. The new drive system provides a stable and smooth running. This unique transportation system guarantees a long lifetime. The modular character of the track rail, based on a simplified concept of former research, performs an easy lining out and erection. The exhaust line's main components, heating, cooling, and fan units, are carried out as simple plug-in modules. The airflow in the curved sections does not differ from those of straight sections as a result of process simulation. Testing models, experiments, development, and implementation of the latest techniques guarantees top-class Lehrs for the production of television and computer monitor tubes. Gemco Furnaces specializes as a heat treatment equipment manufacturer and stands for conceptual design up to a running production unit.